is Kathy from the Delafield Quilt Company, and today I'm going to show you how to make block number 4 of the 2025 Summer Quilt Along. And if you're interested in sewing along, please check out our website at delafieldquiltco.com, where I've got everything you need to know about the sew along, like the overview, a coloring sheet, instructions for each of the blocks, and a link to the videos. So for block 4, you're actually going to need a total of 8 of these. 4 that are in the peach and violet color and 4 that are in the navy gray color. And here's where you'll find the peach and violet blocks on the quilt. And here are the navy and gray blocks. Right, here are the cutting instructions for one of the blocks. Again, we're going to make a total of 8 of them, so just make sure you know that you're going to need to multiply this multiple times to get all of those blocks. Alright, let me show you how to make this. I've already got all of my pieces cut for one of the blocks. And I did mix in a little more of the purple for the peach just because I had enough left over and I really like purple a lot. And so for piece E, I am using a little bit more purple than what it called for. But other than that, all the pieces and the count of the pieces is exactly the same. Alright, to start, I am going to take 2 of my E pieces and 1 of my D pieces, and I'm going to put that skinny D piece in between the 2 of them. And I am going to need to make 4 sets of these pieces. And then I'm just going to sew these together using a scant 1/4 inch. On my sewing machine I have my 1/4 inch foot, and I did move my needle 1 position to the edge just to make sure I got that scant 1/4 inch. And then I'm just going to open this piece up and I'm going to put it on that second E piece right away. And again, using a scant 1/4 inch. Right, now that I got this piece sewn, I am just going to press the seams open. It's kind of a small piece, especially with the skinny piece in the center. Pressing them open, I find, is just helping this piece lie a lot flatter than pressing to one side. And I do want to make sure that this piece measures 3.5 inches square. If you're finding that your piece is a little bit off, it could be because your scant 1/4 inch isn't quite a scant. Right, now I'm ready to sew on the 2-inch squares, and I'm going to sew 2 onto this to get that point at the top. And to do that, I am just going to draw a diagonal line on the wrong side of each of these. And when I'm lining up my ruler, I want to make sure my ruler is slightly below the points from the top and the bottom, just to allow for the thickness of my pencil. You do want to make sure you use a pencil or another fabric-friendly pen. Alright, I'm going to start in the left corner here, and I want to make sure my diagonal goes from the bottom to the top of that 2-inch square. And then I'm going to sew right on that line. I'll press it back and then I'll sew on the second square on the other side. Again, I'm just sewing right on that pencil line that I drew earlier. And now right at my machine, I am just going to trim a 1/4 inch from the line, and you want to make sure you're on the top of the line and not trimming it below, otherwise you might ruin your piece. I'm going to quickly press this open, and then I'm going to line up my second square. The diagonal should be from the top corner to the bottom corner this time. And again, I'm going to sew right on that line. Alright, I went ahead and I sewed all 4 of the sets that I need for this block. And now I'm ready to lay it out. I'm just going to put my 3.5 inch violet square in the middle, and take my 3.5 inch background squares for each of the corners. Now I'm ready to sew this together. I'm just going to start by sewing the rows first. Again, I'm going to use a scant 1/4 inch. Okay, now that I've got my rows together, I'm just going to press the seams so that each row has the seams going in opposite direction from the one next to it. This is going to help those seams nest really nicely. And here is what the finished block number 4 looks like. Again, you're going to need 4 of this combination and then 4 of the navy and grays. Thank you so much for watching. I would absolutely love to see your progress in the summer quilt along. In the sew along documents from the website, you'll be able to find the tags that you can link so that I can see them. All right, thank you again for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. Have a nice day.